I decided to start filming this last minute, hence why this video is in this format. So first thing I did was to put some beans on fire. Then in an air fryer, I cut some potatoes, put some oil on top, and I just put that in the air fryer. So while that was in there, I was cutting plantain and I put that in as well. I kind of shook the air fryer just so that some of the oil will also touch the plantain, and I put that back in the air fryer. Now, for this, I just wanted some fish, the kind of fish that tastes like the fish you would use to eat bole and yam. So I put on some paprika, some seasoning, peppers, mixed that up. It actually tasted really good because after I'd done this, I let it sit for some minutes before air frying it. At this point, the beans was fully cooked, so I had to pour that out into a sieve. I also washed it, soaked it in some cold water, washed it off, and I checked on the plantains and potatoes, and they were good enough for me at this point. So as I took that out, I put the fish in the air fryer. So into a dry pot, I put in some palm oil. This was the only palm oil I had remaining because normally a lot of palm oil would be very good for this style of beans. So I put in the onions immediately, put in just a bit of curry and then a lot of pepper because I wanted it spicy. After that sauteed for like a minute, I put in the potatoes and the plantains. I fried that for like another 1 minute. Then I put in the cooked beans. Then I went in with salt, seasoning, crayfish, pepper, just basically every other seasoning. I mixed that up, but turns out it was a bit over salted. So I had to put in the remaining beans that I didn't put in earlier, and I just mixed that up, let it cook for 5 more minutes, and this beans was ready. This beans was so good. Everyone who ate it testified to how good this was. I hope you try it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.